Role and impact of IT in society. Part 3. Video conferencing. This is where computers are used to provide a video link between two or more people, usually over the internet. This simply requires a computer system, a camera, a microphone, speakers/headphones, and a good internet connection. In many cases, a smartphone can also be used as an alternative. Advantages. No need for employers to pay employees to travel abroad for meetings. No need for employees to travel around, they can spend more hours working. People can be seen and heard, so body language and facial expressions can also be seen. Documents can be easily shared. Video conferences can be set up for many people simultaneously. This is especially useful for multinational companies. Disadvantages. Buying and setting up a suitable video conferencing system can be costly. Employees in different time zones may have to work overtime to coordinate a meeting. Technical difficulties may cause delays. A stable internet connection is essential. This may not be available in some places, and will carry an extra cost. Staff may have to be trained to use the system, or technicians need to be employed. Web conferencing. Web conferencing is similar to video conferencing, but instead of being a many-to-many conference, it is a one-to-many conference. The system requirements are very similar for the ones setting up the conference, but the conference itself can be viewed by any internet-connected device. This is usually used to set up presentations, carry out training, or used by educational establishments to give online lessons. Advantages. The host controls the content on the screen, and a large quantity of people can view the conference without having to be in the same location. Saves costs for attendees since there is no need to travel to watch the conference. Pre-recorded content can be used, which saves time. Documentation and supporting files can be easily shared with the attendees. Disadvantages. It is virtually impossible for the host to ensure that attendees are actually paying attention. It is more time-consuming to set up than a regular presentation. The software can be costly. The host will have to be trained on how to use the software, and some attendees may be technically inept and may require extra assistance. Both the host and the attendees must have a good, stable internet connection.